There's always the question, do I use the free version or do I use the pro version? How far away can I get by only sticking to the free version? Hi, I'm JB. This is Websites for Beginners and welcome to our video document series on Learn Breakdance for WordPress. Apart from the series, you can also learn more from our complete courses for Breakdance, taking you from a beginner to a master of multi-page sites, blogging and WooCommerce. Link in the description. To decide whether the free version or the pro version is the best option for you when working with Breakdance Builder for WordPress, I suggest that you go to the link in the description below and have a careful look at what is happening between these two different versions. This page will show you clearly all the differences between the two versions, and that is free and pro. One thing has to be said, and even though you see all these X's, most of these relate to WooCommerce and dynamic data. But, this is the thing that needs to be said, Breakdance Free can create complete websites, headers and footers included with blogging and all the other great features, even pop-ups, as well as forms for your conversion, and that's all done with the free version. We've built out a number of sites just using the free version, and you can check Module 1 on our courses for Breakdance on how you can go ahead and do that with the free version. However, having said that, the pro version is, in my opinion, absolutely the way to go. All the great stuff you get with the pro version will really elevate that building experience and make your site stand out amongst the crowd. One place where Breakdance is completely different to the competition in terms of free and pro plugins is that within the builder, you only load one instance of the plugin. The license you enter will determine whether it's a free one or a pro one. And this means that if you do use the free version, everything you get inside, you will find includes the pro stuff. The only difference is when that website is rendered on the front end, the pro stuff will not show or will be grayed out. That means you can still build out a pro website in your staging environment, and then when you are done, you can decide to add a pro key to unlock all the pro features. You are not restricted in using pro features. You have full access to them. They will just not display on the front end while using the free version. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.